In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Metabase on local desktop. We'll walk through preparing your Metabase account so you can run Metabase on your own computer. This process happens in the Metabase store and creates a self-hosted production instance tied to your account. Think of it as setting the stage. You're creating the instance record and entitlements you'll use when you run Metabase locally. We won't be deploying anything to the cloud here. We're simply choosing the right options so your local setup is recognized and licensed correctly. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Metabase Store account page. If you're prompted to sign in, use the account that owns or manages your Metabase subscription. Make sure you're in the right workspace or organization, especially if you have access to multiple accounts. It's also helpful to confirm that your account has permission to create instances. If not, an admin on your team may need to click through the following actions for you. Once you're on the account dashboard, look for the option labeled Production Instance and click it. In Metabase's terminology, production refers to a full-featured instance meant for ongoing use. Even if you're planning to run Metabase strictly on your local desktop, choosing production here ensures you get all the capabilities you expect. You're not launching anything yet, you're just selecting the class of instance you want to manage under your account. Next, choose self-hosted. This is the critical choice for a local desktop setup. Self-hosted means you'll run Metabase on your own hardware, whether that's your laptop, a workstation, or a server you control. By selecting self-hosted, you're telling Metabase you'll handle the runtime environment yourself, which is exactly what we want for local use. After selecting self-hosted, click Create Instance. This generates the instance entry in your account and usually presents a short summary. Nothing starts running in the cloud. You're simply preparing the instance metadata and entitlements. To finish, click Confirm and Create Instance. This final confirmation locks in your selections and provisions the self-hosted instance under your account. After the confirmation completes, you should see the instance listed in your store dashboard, along with details you'll later reference when you launch Metabase on your machine. If creation doesn't go through, double check that you're using the correct organization, have the right permissions, and that your subscription